video you know about how many bags of mulch do I need for flower bed. You know that the mulch are the quantity component which consist of wood chips. The straw material are used in gardening work to create a flower bed. And here you have suppose the flower bed, that is, first we make a rough diagram to understand about the flower bed, and the layer of mulch is put over the flower bed. Suppose this one is the width of flower bed, which is about 10 foot, and this one is the length of flower bed, which is about 20 foot, and the most of flower bed depth range between 2 inches to 4 inches. But here we take the depth of flower bed equal as 4 inches, and you have to figure out numbers of bags of mulch required for flower bed. First you calculate the quantity of mulch put over the flower bed, that is volume calculation. The volume is the length in foot, the width in foot, and depth in foot. Then you multiply all. The length is about 20 foot, the width is about 10 foot, and depth is 4 inches. Then you convert this one in foot, that's why 4 inch divided by 12. After multiplying all this will come about 66.66 cubic foot. It means the total quantity of mulch required for this flower bed would be 66.66 cubic foot. And the mulch bag, most of mulch bag contain about 2 cubic foot of material. And how we calculate the numbers of bags of mulch? Then number of bags of mulch is equal as the total volume and the volume of one bag. Then number of bags of mulch you need for a flower bed equal to total volume, that is 66.66, and volume of one bag, that is 2 cubic foot bag. It means divide this one, this will come about 34 bags of mulch quantity. It means by this process you can calculate numbers of bags of mulch required for flower bed. First you find the dimension of flower bed, then multiply all the length, width, and their depth to calculate the volume, and then divide the total volume by volume of one bag of mulch. Then you figure out numbers of bags of mulch required for flower bed. Thank you.